TikTok actually paid my rent. So you guys, you need to look into this video because this is literally how to monetize a TikTok account in Nigeria. A lot of people say Nigeria is not eligible for content monetization. Nigeria is this, Nigeria that. We know that, but you can monetize your TikTok UK account. So with TikTok earnings, you can literally pay your rent. You can actually pay your rent. You can do anything you want to achieve with your UK TikTok account. So even if you don't have a UK TikTok account, even your Nigeria account can do this for you. So I'm just going to be talking about how to monetize your Nigeria TikTok account. Number one thing you can do with your Nigeria TikTok account is to make sure that you're having a lot of views. If you build your following count and you're getting a lot of views, I bet you're going to be earning more than those people that are doing faceless content on the UK TikTok account. So with your Nigeria TikTok account, you can be able to earn a lot of money. So number one on the video, this video is just going to be 30 minutes. So you have to make sure that you're going to use all of these things I'm going to tell you. So you can just find out what works entirely for your account. If you find out what works for your account, I promise you're going to be cashing out big. Real big. Yes. So you want to make sure that you're doing live stream. Live stream is one of the options that can make you to earn a lot of money. So if you're somebody that has gone viral on your TikTok account, you want to make sure that you're doing live stream. As long as you're doing live stream, you see a lot of people tuning in because they like what you're doing. So recently on my Nigeria TikTok account, I started doing vlogs, and you see that those vlogs are giving me a lot of views because I found out what actually works for that account, and I started posting and I started getting views. And once I started getting views, you will see upcoming artists are going to be paying you to promote their song. That's the number 2 way you can earn on your Nigeria TikTok account. Yes. So if you're in Nigeria that you're using a UK TikTok account, you're using your normal Nigeria TikTok account, you can earn with your Nigeria TikTok account, and you can equally earn with your UK TikTok account. The difference between the regular Nigeria TikTok account and UK TikTok account is that Nigeria TikTok account, you cannot monetize your content, and your content must be 1 minute and longer before you can monetize it on the UK TikTok account. So that is the difference between those two accounts. So just with your Nigeria TikTok account, you can equally earn by going live, by promoting songs for artists, by video gifts, and all of those things. If artists can just find out that your content is getting views and all of that, once they are seeing the views, once they see your number of followers, they will want to pay you to promote their song. And you know that they get paid when people tune into their songs and all of that. So when your video gets a certain amount of views and likes, you get paid. So these are the tips that you can actually use to earn with your Nigeria TikTok account. So if you're somebody that cannot afford to open a UK account, or you want me to help you to open a UK TikTok account, you just message the number on the screen, and then it does not cost much, just little. So you guys can just make sure that you message me so I can help you to also create a UK account if you're a content creator. If you're not a content creator, I don't see any reason why you want to have a UK account, except you want your account to come in pounds. You don't want your currency to be in pounds. That means the money that you're making, you want it to be in pounds. You know, pounds is higher than naira. You understand? So you want to make sure that you follow out these tips. So the one thing you have to take note is to make sure that you grow your account. Make sure you are growing your account. If you grow your account, you're going to see the magic. Yes. So another video that I'm going to make how much you can make with your UK TikTok account. Yeah, because this is just how much you can make. TikTok paid my rent. You guys, I wanted to make this video very short, so make sure that you guys subscribe, like, comment on this video, and tell me the next video you would like me to make, because I'm making these videos on TikTok series. So you tell me the next video you'd like me to make, I'll be willing to do that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on another one. Bye.